From Ticker News, this is Ticker Today.
Hello, I'm Aaron Young. US President Donald Trump is on a 5-day trip to Asia, having received a warm welcome in Japan. He's eager to secure a trade war truce with Chinese President Xi Jinping during his next stop in South Korea. Now, in Japan, Trump has already gained a significant investment pledge and discussed further collaborations in various sectors with Japan's new Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi. Security is tight in Tokyo following an incident outside the US Embassy and planned protests. Trump is set to leave for South Korea on Wednesday, where he will continue trade discussions there. Russia has successfully tested its nuclear-powered cruise missile, according to President Vladimir Putin. The missile, which Putin described as unmatched, flew 14,000 kilometres and remained airborne for 15 hours on nuclear power. The development comes amid rising nuclear tensions related to the ongoing war in Ukraine. And despite claims of its advanced capabilities, Western experts have raised doubts about the missile's reliability and strategic value. The test also follows a recent nuclear drill led by Putin and highlights Russia's intent to assert its military dominance and strength. Australia's competition watchdog has sued Microsoft, accusing the company of misleading consumers about its artificial intelligence assistant called Copilot. The Australian Competition Consumer Commission alleges that Microsoft's marketing misrepresented subscription options for Microsoft 365, affecting around 2.7 million auto-renewal subscribers. Customers were allegedly told to either pay extra for Copilot services or cancel their subscriptions altogether without being informed about a third option, which was to keep their existing plans at the original price. The Commission now calling for penalties, consumer compensation and an injunction against Microsoft. And if they are found in breach, Microsoft could face penalties exceeding 50 million Australian dollars for each violation. Let's take a look at the markets for you today. Global stocks open the week on a positive note as optimism grows over a potential trade agreement between the US and China. The Pan-European Stock 600 index closed up 0.2%, with significant gains seen in Asian markets, including on Japan's Nikkei. Now, major European indices also showed gains, particularly Spain's IBEX 35, which reached a new 52-week high. US stocks followed suit, with the Dow Jones and S&P 500 touching record highs during the session. Experts highlight that while optimism is driving the market, underlying tensions between the United States and China still remain a concern.